Okay, so here is my challenge. We were supposed to make an envelope, and so I made an envelope for my 3D card. This is the latest one that I've made. Left a little thing so we could either put in there with sympathy, happy birthday, whatever you need it to be. Thinking of you. And then here's my little paper clip that I made. It's just, but it's got flowers and cheesecloth and appliques and a little heart, some lace, more appliques, pearl strings, regular string, a little rose with pearls, and inside I just did some paper just torn and inked around the edge, and made this so that you could write another little message inside there. Glued it all down so that basically this kind of little clip could work on the back. Covered the inside pages. There's the card, same thing, appliques, flowers, and using a lot of the same things. And then inside the envelope so that it looks nice up through there. And anyhow, this is my envelope and the card to go inside. Challenge. So I'm gonna use my other camera and take some more pictures of them as well. So thank you for letting me be a part of your challenge. I really enjoyed it. It was so fun for me.